Welcome, Shroomers, to a sycamore soliloquy about rain. Rain is good. Rain makes mushrooms fruit. But did you know if you hunt in the rain, first of all, you're probably not going to run into any other Shroomers. So if it's public land that's heavily hunted, you are getting one up on them. Second thing is, the leaf litter gets dark from the rain and morel mushrooms stand out. So if you don't have the $200 expensive 𝐌𝐎𝐑𝐄𝐋 rainproof gear, hop on over to like one of your dollar type stores, get a poncho for $1, a plastic poncho. Get out in the rain, check some trees during morel mushroom hunting season. You're gonna do better. Yeah, so your morels are coming up the East Coast now, so buckle up, buttercups. Yeah, probably lots of black morels because it's cool yet. But keep watching those soil temps. You'll be in the yellows. ASAP, ASAP. Yeah, I'm still riding pretty high with my perfect score on the mushroom certification test. I can now identify 17 types of edible fungi, any lookalikes or toxic or poisonous species. And if somebody is selling stuff or I see something bad at a grocery store that's wrong, I can speak up and maybe save somebody from getting sick. I'm not in the mood to sell any of my mushrooms. I likes to eat them. So that's not why I did it. You know, there's always something new you can learn. I learned a brand new edible species, Ichnoderma resinosum, that I have found and it looked good, but I thought, oh, that's not gonna taste good. And guess what? It tastes like a Salisbury steak. So I'll be getting that from the spot I know this year and trying that out. But yeah, so lucky I went over my test the second time. I found 2 I accidentally skipped and they were easy. Yeah, so I answered all the questions and boom, passed it. A number 1, aced it. None wrong. I can do a little dance. Okay, so that's enough tooting my own horn. My mother, rest her peace, would say, oh yeah, you're so smart and you're modest too. So I gotta watch it. I gotta watch it. But I'm the greatest of all time. Just kidding. I'm waiting for mushroom season, hiking around the circle, this pond, getting my legs strong so I can out hike you young spring chickens, get my mushrooms, get my bag and basket full. Oh yeah, a few weeks. Also, April, I'm going down south to meet the spring and I'll start all my travel videos. So that'll be epic. Yeah, last year I did my travel videos, 3-4 states, getting down south to pick. Oh, it was so much fun. I even found morels at rest stops. I mean, yeah. Everybody and their brother goes through those. They didn't see any. I found them. So this year I'm swinging a different way. And I'm probably going to be hitting like Indiana and Ohio and Michigan, lower Michigan. Last year was upper. And see what I see. There's a couple festivals I'll film for you. And we'll see what kind of trouble I can get into over there. Okay, so yesterday a heinous disaster was averted when my rescue parrot Jake got his toenail caught in a teeny weeny little metal crack on his playpen upper door when it was open while he was stuck there. He didn't scream, but he was trying to pull it out, fluttering, getting all upset. I tried to grab him and pull it out, and he bit me pretty hard. So then I had to dangle a towel so he could chew on that right in front of his face. Well, I went under this door and jiggled his toenail out. Ugh. So yeah, I had to buy some non-toxic putty today. We're gonna patch those holes up. Yeah, birds get into everything. I mean, really, do I need that? Oh. So that was my excitement. After he got freed, he was grateful. Gave him a little tangerine segment and a kiss. And this morning he's fine. Boy, that scared me good though. I mean, he never screamed. I just came in there and he's chewing on this rope perch I got there and looking really mad. And then I could see him trying to yank his leg out. Oh my goodness. I started freaking. The story of him is I lost my beloved Amazon parrot at almost 38 years of age, and I went on a rescue site locally online to donate his cage. I was heartbroken last year, and well, there was a bird, so of course I filled out an adoption form online and went to meet him. And that bird, name of Oscar, also an Amazon, hated my guts, tried to murder me, and sitting next to him quietly, afraid of everything, as far away from people as he could get, was my Jake, who I started visiting daily, and we fell in love. I started visiting Jake every day. The rescue was open. I'd open his cage door, I'd pull up a chair, I'd sit there talking to him and offering yummy snacks 2 to 3 hours a day. Took about a month. He started stepping up, and I took him home. He's my boy who gets his toenails caught. Yeah, so with Amazon parrots, if they're sitting on you and something bad happens to them and they're hurting, they're gonna blame you. Even if it's like they're preening, and even if they're just preening their bodies and a feather's picking them, they'll look at you like, what'd you do? So I was glad my Jakey boy was up there stuck for a little while before I found him. Sad to say. Glad he wasn't injured. Glad his toenail didn't get ripped out. Heinous. He's fine today. Just captured Granny live from her pond that is now melted. Live on tape. Our second dump of snow is melting away and spring is trying to come. It's hard waiting. It's difficult to wait, especially since everybody in the south and central now are picking morels. But they're coming, and they're coming heavy. It's been raining, it's been snowing, and we are above normal precip all around the upper Midwest. Beautiful season on the way.